Hello guys, hope you all are well. So this is unboxing, testing, flight and overview video of Pioneer GD drone. So this drone was on my list from a very long time, but Amazon did not have the stock of this drone, on Flipkart as well, and I don't believe on other sites. So that is why I was waiting on all these two sites. So finally I've got one, and the seller is also very nice. I think it's VRC Ventures. So this is your box, the beautiful box. As you can see, GD118 HD dual camera RC drone, and here are some features listed. So I would say the graphic of this box is really good, HD aerial photography, and it comes with optical flow, which is a very good feature. So optical flow is the feature, follow me is the feature. Remember, follow me, we used to get follow me feature in the GPS drone only, but in new technology, the optical flow technology, we are getting follow me feature. uh, I will also make a video, or maybe it will be uploaded on channel. I don't know when this video will be uploaded. I've also shared a video, or I will share a video of DJI Tello with follow me features. I know DJI won't give you follow me feature, but I will tell you how to make it a follow me drone. So SD wide angle lens, hand gesture selfie. I will tell you what is hand gesture selfie, camera switching, headless mode, roll 360 flights. So roll 360 is a very basic thing, and nothing else. It is made in China, as you all know, and the MRP is printed as, you can see, 15,999 rupees. But that's not the price. I got this drone for 7,000 rupees, 6,999 rupees drone. And also you may get this drone for around 4,000 as well. 5,000 is 4,000, 5,000, not 4,000, I say 5,000. There are some sellers who sell it for 5,000 rupees, but this is out of stock. Cloudtail India, they used to sell this drone for around 5,400. So I will also give you a link in the description, you can check it out. I have few links from which you can buy this drone. The images will be very different, but the drone will be this. So you can check it out in the description. I'll give you a link. So we will open this plastic coverage. On Amazon there are so many drones which are used drones, and you won't get any plastic cover with that, but in this one things are different. You do get this plastic coverage, which means that you're getting hands on a very new drone. That's really good. So this is worthless thing, we will take it off, and we will now open our drone like this. So you can see it's a good carrying case type thing. You can actually carry it anywhere. So instructions are written in Hindi. That means this plastic covering was done by the seller itself, because Chinese people won't write these Hindi things. तो there are some warnings which we will read. ड्रोन को उड़ाने के पूर्व कैलिब्रेशन एवं सिंक करना आवश्यक है, अन्यथा ड्रोन खराब हो जाएगा एवं चलेगा नहीं. कैलिब्रेशन एवं सिंक वीडियो के लिए व्हाट्सएप या कॉल करें. सूचना, उड़ान से पहले 40 मिनट के लिए बैटरी चार्ज करें. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And in English you can also read as well. Before flying the drone, you need to synchronize and calibrate the drone for a smooth flight. If you don't do the calibration, drone will get crash and will not fly properly. So these are the instructions which you need to follow mandatorily. So now we will open the box of this drone, and again the seller is really cautious. He has again given you the warning. That's really good by the seller. Excellent stuff. So without wasting any time, this is the first look of the box which you get. Here it is, the beautiful drone of yours. First we will take out this transmitter. So here is your mobile holder. You can just place it like this and put your phone in this to see the footage. That's really premium look. And this is on and off switch. You press this button, on and off. So this is one key, take off. No, this is stop button. So I will tell you all the functions of this remote control. I'm not really sure about that. You need three, I think, AAA batteries in this. So we'll keep it away and we take out a drone. Taking it out is a bit complex process, I think. Okay, so it is out, and here is your beautiful drone. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, black is not beautiful, but anything which flies in the sky, that is beautiful for me, and hope it is beautiful for you guys as well, because you're seeing this video. So it means that you are a drone nerd. So here is your drone. You can see the size of the drone. It's so big, like it's completely like a DJI drone. I don't know about the performance, but it is one of those bigger drones which comes. So if you want, you can remove this plastic covering, because the more the weight of the drone, the more battery it will consume. So we also get these 4 prop guards, and in case guys, if you are flying indoors, a big drone like this, it's not very safe to fly indoors without these prop guards. Reason being, you may end up breaking your propellers, or you may crash this drone to anyone else, and that will cause a serious injury. So I would not recommend you to fly indoors without just uh, just, you can't just fly without these propeller guards. You have to just insert it in these strands, as you can see, and after installing it, you will see that the size of your drone will grow. It will look more beautiful. So you can see how it looks. It's so big. Now talking about the camera, this is your camera, and you can actually rotate it to the direction you want, and that is also good. Remember, you don't get any button from your remote, you don't get any gimbal, so you can control it. You have to adjust it from your hands as well. And these are the 2 LEDs. So this is a night flyer. You don't need to worry about this drone in the night, because it will emit a light, so that is also good. And the second camera, you can see, this is your second camera. This will record your ground footage. Last is our battery thing. So here is the battery. You can see 1200 mAh battery, 3.7 volt, which will roughly give you flight time from 5 minutes to 12 minutes, I think. Okay, first thing, if you want your drone to last longer, some things you can do is you can remove these prop guards. But if you are very professional in flying drones and all, and you just don't need to switch to different speed mode, like first speed mode, only fly at the first speed mode, and don't do much headless mode and the flip, so the battery of the drone will last longer. So I will come up with another video in this video only, but as of now I'm just closing this video, and after learning many things about it, I will tell you what is the flight time, how to fly it, how's the app and all. So stay tuned for more. We also get this charger with this drone, and you need to plug it in, and when this red light will be off, that means that the drone battery is fully charged, and it will take close to 60 minutes to 90 minutes to charge this drone. We also get this true propellers and one screwdriver, a quality screwdriver with this. Now we will learn the function of the remote control. So guys, here are the functions of the remote control. First, the correction. You need to install 3 AA batteries, not AAA batteries, and I have already installed it. This is a remote control. To turn it on, we need to press this button for a while, for 2 seconds, and you can see red light is on. First, the very foremost thing is calibration in this drone. So for the calibration part, you just need to press these joystick to this corner and it will be calibrated. Remember, calibration is very important because this drone won't be stable if you don't calibrate it. And if your drone is not flying, you just need to press these button like this and it will be outward unlock. You can see the instruction manual as well. You can go through it and you will learn all the functions. So all the things, first, this is the speed switch. There are three speed things: the low mode, and this is the second mode, medium mode, and this is the high mode. So we come to the medium mode to save the battery. Now this is the photo and video mode. A short press will take a photo and a long press will take a video. So this is the illumination button. The I mean you can control the light of the drone with this button. You can turn it off or on, and if you turn it on off in the daylight, it will save some battery. This is the 360 flip. You can do a 360 flip and in the direction you want. That's good. Okay, so this is the headless mode button. If you press a short while, it is a headless mode. And headless, like you are placing your drone like this, the camera should always face that side from you. So headless mode means if you press the headless mode, you don't need to worry about the direction. If you can rotate it like this and capture all the scenes, but your drone will still fly back to the direction you want, I mean to your direction. If you press down button, it will still come down needless of the camera in any direction. So this is headless mode, and you can rotate your drone like this. You can press this button like this, so it will rotate. So this is headless mode, and if you press this button for a long while, it will be a return to the base button. This is not powered with a GPS, so that's also one good thing. Now this is one key takeoff landing button. Okay, first we need to, so if you press this button, this second one, for a short while, okay, so this will be a one key takeoff. If you press again while it is in the sky, one key landing. And if you press it for a long time, the drone will stop. In case if you just collide it anywhere, or it is stuck in a tree, it is getting, or it is just close to getting stuck to anyone, you can press this button to stop it. So these are some functions of the drone, of the remote control. Now onto the drone and the flying part. Now onto a flying part. We turn the drone on and you can see it is already paired. You can turn off the light in the daytime. You can see the light is off, so it will save the battery. So onto a flying part now. The transmitter is on, the drone is on, and before you fly this drone, you need to calibrate it every time. And to calibrate, just press these two controllers to this side, and now it is ready to fly. So press this button, and you can see it is so stable. I am not doing anything with the remote, and it is flying like this only. You can press this button, the lights will be off, but because the battery is low, that is why it is not getting off. You can already see it's so stable. I'm not doing anything with the remote. Very stable drone. We can compare it to DJI Tello as well. One key button to just land. So guys, here's a front camera view of the drone, and you can see it's so clear. I'm really sorry that I was not able to focus the image because it was too windy. So I was just busy controlling the drone to the directions, but you can see the clarity of the image. Now here is the downwards facing camera. It's a very basic one. The image quality is not good, but it will just do the job for you, as you can see. So guys, I'm basically a big fan of this drone already. The only problem with this drone is you first need to calibrate it because there is no trim button, so you need to calibrate it. If not, this drone will fly like this. It will not be very feasible. And also to turn it on, you just need to press this button for 2 seconds and you can see the bright LEDs in this drone. So this is very sturdy. If you just collide it to anything, it won't break very easily. I've already collided it 2 to 3 times just to test it. I'm really sorry that I could not do it on the camera, but this drone looks fine. You can see the flight quality. It was a bit windy, so I was flying the drone after 3 to 4 months, I think. Any drone after 3 to 4 months, so I was not really confident, and that is why I did not take it to a good height like I did in my previous drone videos. But you can see the image quality, it's really fine, and it was really windy outside, so that is why that was one reason why I did not take it a bit at a height. But you can see the image quality, it's not at all lagging. The image quality is just fine, it's perfectly all right. In the front camera you can adjust it. The lower camera, the down camera, it's not very standard, but it will just do the job for you. So my initial impressions with the drone was really good, and you can buy it. In the future I'm coming up with the comparison video of this drone, the E88 Pro drone and DJI Tello drone, so stay tuned for that video. And as of now, I would like to say you bye bye, stay safe, keep wearing a mask, and please get vaccinated as soon as possible. Bye bye.